Hi, and welcome to your first hour of Python. In the following lessons, you will learn the fundamentals of Python programming. With the skills you learn, you will be able to advance to more advanced Python topics with ease. Let's begin by setting up our coding environment. You can use any IDE you prefer for this course, but for these lessons, I will be using the Jupyter Notebook environment. If you don't have an installed IDE yet, I would advise following these steps to install the environment. First, follow the link in the description to get the Anaconda download page. Now download Anaconda and follow all the steps to install it on your PC. If you have any trouble with this, there will be another link in the description leading to a page with detailed installation instructions. Once you've installed Anaconda, open the Anaconda Navigator. From this page, launch the Jupyter Notebook. The Jupyter Notebook allows us to run single lines of code. Let's go through the basics of using it. The code that we will be learning comes inside the cells. To run a cell, select it and press Shift Enter. If there is any output from the cell, it will automatically be displayed underneath the cell. That's just about everything you need to know about Jupyter Notebook for now. In the next lesson, we will get started with real Python coding by learning to use different types of variables.